Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another important video from AR Pro Academy. In fact, this is a new series that we're running on AR Pro Academy to help you plan and manage your finances better. So now let us understand why investment is important. So let us consider an example of Mr. A who is 25 years old, who has an income of 20,000 per month, and he gets a raise of 5% on his income every year and is able to save 20% of his income every month. Now, if this person A invests his saving into any asset class that can give him 15% return annually, this could be the kind of savings he could have at the end of 30 years. So let us have a look at this calculator. So as per this calculator, since Mr. A is age 25, in the very first year, his monthly income is 20,000, and since he is planning to save 20% of his income every month, that comes to 16,000 available for his monthly expense every month. And then because of this, with 4,000 rupees every month, annually he is able to save 48,000 rupees. Now, for ideal calculation, I have taken this 48,000 to be invested at the start of the year. So end of the year, this person would have earned an interest of 7,200 rupees at the rate of 15% per annum. Now, that makes it a total of 55,200 at the end of the first year. Now coming to second year, he got a raise of 5% on his income, and hence his expense also has gone up. Now here, the expense I have calculated at 8%. If you know, the annual inflation rate in India has been an average of 5%. So adding 3% to it, I am calculating expense growing at 8% per annum. So that makes it 16,800 from the second year, and so on. Now, on the second year, he is able to save 50,400 rupees because his income has increased and hence his savings also has increased. So at 20% of 21,000, he is able to save 50,400 for this year, which would actually earn him an interest of 15,840. And if you look at the total savings by end of second year, he would have come to approximately 1,21,000. Now, if this goes on, this is where we are going to see the biggest magic. Yes, the magic of compounding. So as the interest gets compounded on all the savings that he's been doing all these years, within a period of 10 years, he would have accumulated about 13 lakh rupees in his savings. And similarly, by 20th year, it would have reached 75 lakhs, and by end of 30th year, he would have reached a total saving of 3 crores and 41,000 by just saving 20% of his income every month. Now, if you see here, the total investment in this 30 years has been just 31,89,000, whereas the return has come to 3 crore and 41 lakhs. This is the magic of compounding. We could even try this with other age groups. For example, if you're 30 years old today, and if you are drawing a salary of 50,000 per month, and if you are getting an annual raise of 5%, and you're planning to save 20% of your income every month with the same compound interest rate of 15%, then this person can actually get a total saving of about 33 lakhs within 10 years, and the next 10 years by 20, he would be able to reach 1 crore 89 lakhs. And by the age of 60, he would have touched 8.5 crore in his total savings with an investment of 79 lakhs 72,000. So this is the magic of compounding. Now, you would ask me, which is this asset class which can give you about 15% of returns every year. There are multiple classes of asset which is available in the market which could give you 15% of returns or even much more. Now, if you're not able to find them, I will help you find them in a due course of time in our coming videos. So team, with that we come to end of this video, but I hope all of you have understood the importance of investment. Now, if you want this calculator, you could just send a WhatsApp message to this number and our team will forward this link to you. I hope you loved this video. If you have any queries, you can drop your comments below this video, and do remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.